Can you hear me? Okay. Yo, it's your boy Mr. Candlestick back again with another video. So today, I'm gonna lie, this week it's been an L week for me. So even though today is another L day for me, actually some of the L's I took, they are actually really not bad trades, but my execution is very poor. So accumulatedly, I think I on Apple, I think I took a big hit, something around 15%. So I have 1.8 means nothing, 3.8 means nothing. So basically I have took 2 losses, accumulatedly something around 16 to 17%. So from this day 9-6, so that which means this week and last week, my trading has been really bad, but everything is my execution errors and me not being patient. Let me see what's going on with the QQQ. Can we break below 280? Can we break below 280? This is what tricks me these days. So by looking at this looks like a bearish movement, but on pullbacks they have more volume than the actual directional move. This tricks me for the past few days like crazy. I don't know. See, it's not even broken yet. Maybe that's what I'm seeing. I don't know. My execution got very worse for some reason. Maybe I haven't unlocked the thing that's gonna make me a consistent trader these days by mentally, or I haven't learned yet how to trade this market, or there's actually no trades in this market. So it's just me pushing myself to enter into stupid trades. So first trade I took, I remember, I entered after this candle, like close after this candle on somewhere here, because there was some moving averages around there. So that's the reason I put my stop loss above here, and I quickly got out because I did not hold this, because when I go back to 1 minute, this was before what I enter 1 minute look like. So it's gonna be a mess if I hold and it didn't go the way I want. Luckily it went in this situation, but if after I enter, if it starts doing this again, it's gonna be so much tough to even get out and sell my contracts. Today every contract I enter, I got very hard time getting out. Like if you put a sell order for 1.00, you get filled for like 80 cents. So that's very low. So that's my QQQ. So this is Tesla 45.46. let's see what the hell I did. 45.46. even though it goes down in a demand area, but the volume is crazy. I said 45.46. See, I entered on this and exited off this. If I held another 1 minute, boom. But this is not a good trade. This starts consolidated, and I took for the downside. Let's see what are the moving averages are there, but It's not a good trade. Like taking trades in this sharpness, it's very bad. It's gonna mentally drain you like crazy. Like it's very bad. I don't know, some, like, if you haven't, like, now the market is doing a base drop type of thing. If you once miss the drop, like if you cannot time it properly and you missed it, it's gonna be so painful. Like you will try to, because this is what I did. I think this is called FOMO, like fear of missing out. So after the drop, like I didn't even I entered in QQQ, I didn't hold it. So after this drop area, like base area, it's gonna be a nightmare, to be honest. So because I don't know, the market did the same, this type of like ranging thing for the past week. So, and it did something I think yesterday on Nvidia. Yesterday, the last week, and this is how they trick us. So the last week they did the drop, then a rally, tried 1 2 3 4 5 times like this and make a consolidation around this one of these major areas. Then they dropped it last week. But this week, look what they did: drop, rally, consolidation. So I was in puts waiting, like look at this area. By watching at the price action, you can see like huge wicks to the upside, then bodies like squeeze into the downside. So which means these are like bearish candlestick. I don't know, maybe they are not, but looking at my point of view, they look like bearish candles. But they was riding like 9 moving average. So I was waiting and patiently waited, like I think I waited like 20 minutes. It is what it is. Boom, 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 broke. Go back to last week, then like try to study. This is what they did exactly, dropping here, not without going up. So they successfully managed to capture the people who made money last week. So the market got tough and tougher. So we have to wait and see and listen to them, because they might do this for a reason. Because dang, Tesla is going shit. It's okay. It's a very stressful day today. So Tesla, Apple, this was a gamble, to be honest. Apple, this trade was a very stupid gamble. So the pre-market low was broken. I entered here, puts below below pre-market low, below moving averages. I waited, boom. So I took I think this was my biggest lose. I took something around 15% on this. So it is what it is. Even though, by looking at here, actually this was a really gamble, because the it's nothing represents itself like, oh, we are going down. But now, at the time I was entering the trade, I felt like, okay, this is a good trade, because SpyQQ also put in some bearish stuff. But after I entered into Apple, these are the two candles that SpyQQ made. So which means I haven't properly focused myself on the indexes before taking the trade. So that's another mistake I did. But the problem is, you cannot even the indexes like SpyQQ, they are more choppier than the regular stocks. So it is what it is. So on the I took another trade, right? Yeah, on Nvidia I have taken, it's a break even. Yeah, it's a break even. 10.6, 10.10. So I have hold that trade for 4 minutes. 10 10 6 10 10. Let me see. Yeah, I think I remember I entered after this candle closes on this was open around here, then it pushed back a little bit, then boom, so I exited, then boom. It's crazy, man. This week the market was very stressful, to be honest, like crazy stressful. So on the trade I took on this 5-6 around here, see, I have taken I entered on the red candle, so which means I have taken premium for a little bit expensive than taking around top of here. So I put my stop loss in here. Nah, I put my stop loss above this candle, as I remembered, to the body of this. Yeah, so if I properly put a stop loss, it should be here above this box, but I made somewhere around here, as I remembered. Yeah, because I don't wanna be like, oh, I had no, I did a lot of mistakes today. I did a lot of mistakes this week, because you cannot blame the market being choppy. You cannot blame the market for not giving you trades, because market cannot hear you. That's true shit. Like, they don't even care. They made this business to make them money, not to make our, like, give ourselves money. That's their job. They have to take our money to stay rich. So if we chose to play this game, you have to accept the risk. This is a huge risky game. Like, today is a day, like, even I said to myself, oh, why should I do this? Like, should I keep trading? That's how stressful this game has become this last week. So these are my trades. These are very bad trades. Please don't do these mistakes I did. Like, luckily I can say something proud of myself. Like, I have waited the first 5 minutes, but days like today, even regarding you missing your trades, you have to wait like first 15 minutes to see the market direction. So if I waited the first 15 minutes, this is the mistake I'm gonna do, because I have acknowledged and identified my mistakes. So if I waited the first 15 minutes, the markets let me pull up this chart down here. So if I waited first 15 minutes, so I'm gonna miss this downward movement on SPY QQQ both. After that, I will, like, this is the mistake I'm gonna do if I waited the first 15 minutes, because identifying your problems is the first step to find solutions. So if I waited for 15 minutes, I'm gonna miss that whole move. Then mentally I start getting FOMO, like, oh shit, oh, I missed out on everything. Then I start taking stupid trades. So this is something I have to, like, fix. So for the past few weeks, I gained a lot, and from like within 1 week, let's see, last Thursday, Friday, Monday. So actually in 6 days, I think I have given back like 2 months worth of profits. But because my mental game has got weak, I don't know, I was so up in mental game. Now my mental game is so weak. I have to focus on my mental game, because there's nothing wrong with the charts right now, because they do what they have to do. But mentally, my mental game got so weak. I don't know, me. I think I stopped listening to the market and listening to what's around. And the reasons I'm telling that why my mental game got lost. And another thing is the college started, And now because I'm a senior, my classes got very tough, and with that stress I can't kinda like steps back mentally, and I stopped reading. I don't want to say like, oh, I put it aside and I can do it later. No, if you start reading, you have to keep going, because it's kind of funny a person like me saying to read, because I'm a very dumb person. Like in elementary school, the school, high school, educational side, I struggle a lot, because I'm not a good reader, I'm not a good listener, I don't know, I'm a bad at education. But right now I'm telling you to read, because I have found my passion, it's trading, and I cannot do it properly. So everybody says the solutions I have written in the books, because this problem is not happening to me the first time, because there's like hundreds of years in the past, a lot of people have struggled with the same problem I had. Everybody's different, everybody's unique, but the problems are the same thing. Everybody has the same money problem. We don't have like, oh, people are different, we have to have different money. No, same money. So the base of the every problem is the same. So start reading, the books have your solutions. Like, this is what I gotta say. So this week has been a very stressful week, so hopefully I can gain some my mental game back to like next week. To be honest, tomorrow is gonna be like a huge day, I know it, because tomorrow is 0 DTE. I'll be trying to trade using the next week's options, because they don't go down as fast as 0 DTEs, but at the same time they don't gives the reward as quick as 0 DTEs. So it is what it is. But it's okay, you can minimize a little bit of your risk, and like you can emotionally manage your downside. So these are my things that I learned, and my mental game is weak. I have to fix that, and the market is very bad. It's not, I cannot say market is bad, but it's take more time to increase the premium than they used to be. That's what happened, and the market is very choppy, like consolidating kangaroo markets. So hopefully next month, to be honest, this month it's gonna be like this, and because this is the last few days of the third quarter of the year. So hopefully next quarter will be good, starting on October 1st. So see you on another video tomorrow, because tomorrow I can expect a losing day, so I'll be posting a losing trade recap tomorrow. Okay, see you later.